This is the PLEXOR A3. It's the first in a new line of PLEXOR machines, ovens from TurboChef. So what we have is 3 different separate cooking technologies. We have impingement, rapid cook, and convection. They can be in any order or any combination, so the ultimate flexibility. They can also be field retrofitted if you want to change out modules, if your menu changes or if your needs change. It's all tied together by a very smart screen. The operator doesn't need to know whether they're cooking in rapid cook or impingement or what that even is. All the operator needs to do is follow this easy system. If I have something on the top shelf, that's indicated by this green light. Basically, that means put the Reuben sandwich on here, on top, and hit go. If I have something that goes on the bottom one, like cookies, I would follow that guide, put it on the bottom, and hit go. Okay, as simple as that. It's all operated on one plug. It's a 50 amp 3-phase plug, and it's ventless. So basically, all you need is 45 inches, and you've got a full kind of vertical ventless kitchen. The automated doors are really simple because if one person is multitasking or fewer people, they don't have to drop everything they're doing when a cook cycle is done to rescue it out of a manual door oven. So when I'm ready, when I can finish what I'm doing, I'll get over there and grab the product and maybe drop off the next thing I'm going to cook. So very space efficient, and 1 or 2 people can put out a lot of food with this in a small, tight space. So our applications, our customers are doing everything from ghost kitchens to independent coffee shops who want to bake their own breads in the morning, cookies in the afternoon. We're doing a lot of B&I companies that are doing it, mid-level hotels. So the range of customers and applications is really wide.